हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू इंग्लिश विद प्रोफेसर तबस्सुम। आज की हमारी वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे सप्लीमेंट्री क्वेश्चन पेपर फॉर द ईयर 2022 एंड ये जो है इंटरमीडिएट फर्स्ट ईयर इंग्लिश का सप्लीमेंट्री पेपर है, फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज पेपर। सो देखिए इसमें क्या है। एनोटेट एनी टू ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इन अबाउट 100 वर्ड्स ईच। सो ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं ये प्रोज से पूछे गए हैं। ओके, these are from prose. You need to annotate them. So each question carries 4 marks and total of 8 marks. Then coming down, you have annotations from the poems. So any two annotations you need to do, that is each annotation will carry 4 marks, a total of 8 marks. सेकेंड पेज, ऑन द सेकेंड पेज यू हैव बिट नंबर 3 जिसके अंदर एनी 2 क्वेश्चंस को आंसर करना है हमें आउट 100 वर्ड्स में। ओके, एंड ये जो क्वेश्चंस है ये प्रोज से पूछे गए हैं। जितने भी आपके प्रोज हैं तो उसमें से एनी 2 करेंगे, ये अगेन कैरी करेगा 4 मार्क्स और टोटल ऑफ 8 मार्क्स। देन कमिंग डाउन टू बिट नंबर 4, एनी 2 क्वेश्चंस करना है इसमें से भी। इन 100 वर्ड्स यू नीड टू आंसर एनी 2 क्वेश्चंस। और ये जो क्वेश्चंस है ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ पोएम से लिए गए हैं। यू कैन सी बेगर, हैप्पीनेस, रेड रेड रोज, नोबल नेचर, ये सारे पोएम्स है। ओके, तो इसमें से एनी 2 क्वेश्चंस करना है। सो टोटल ऑफ 8 मार्क्स, 2 क्वेश्चंस यू आर गोइंग टू आंसर। Then coming down, you are having bit number 5. In bit number 5, you again need to answer 2 questions, but these questions are from non-detail. Okay, the short stories which we have done in the class, from that it is. You can see the short-sighted brothers, Alan, all these questions are from non-details. So any 2 we need to answer in about 100 words, which carries a total of 8 marks. Coming to bit number B. Okay, in section B we have question number 6. In that we need to answer any 4 questions. So a passage is given to you. This passage is taken from non-details, from your short stories, and from them you need to answer 4 questions out of 6 questions. So each question carries 1 mark. Then coming to below, that is bit number 7. In bit number 7 you just need to read the following passage and answer any 4 questions. Okay, in one word we need to answer. Some questions will be asked from this. Okay, and you need to answer. This is unseen passage. These are all the questions being asked from that unseen passage. Then coming to the next section, that is section C. In section C, you can see this is bit number 8. In this one you just need to match the correct meanings. Okay, for example, sapling means young plants. So similarly you can match all the meanings and each one carries half mark. Okay, so total of 4 marks. Let's see the ninth one. In the ninth one you just need to identify the parts of speech. Okay, any 8 parts of speech you should identify. For example, Adam is a noun. So similarly the rest of the parts of speech you need to underline and find out. So each one carries half mark, a total of 4 marks. Number 10. In bit number 10 we need to fill in the blanks with suitable articles a, an or the. Okay, for example, Timakka has been recognized by the government. So like this you have to fill with all the articles. Each one carries half mark. So total of 4 marks. Okay. Then coming down to bit number 11. In bit number 11, any 8 we should do. Okay. We need to fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. Prepositions like on, under, above, below. Okay, and each one carries half mark, so total of 4 marks. So any 8 we need to do to attain 4 marks. Then coming down to bit number 12, in this one we need to fill in the blanks with suitable verbs. Okay, the correct form of verb. So each one carries 1 mark, a total of 4 marks. We need to do any 4. Okay, coming down to bit number 13. In bit number 13 we need to write any 4. Okay, as directed. Means in this one whatever instruction is given in the bracket we have to follow that. If it asks us to make it into passive voice, then we'll make indirect speech, direct speech, anything it can ask in the bracket. So as per the instruction, we need to change the sentence and rewrite it. So each one carries 1 mark, a total of 4 marks. This is again the same. We just need to follow the instruction given in the bracket. Positive degree, superlative degree, and question tag also it can ask. So whatever is the instruction in the bracket, we need to follow that. Then coming up to the 14th bit. In the 14th bit, we need to write any 4. Okay, we just need to correct this sentence. What is wrong in this sentence? One should respect his teachers. So one should respect one's teachers. So similarly, we need to do the others also. So each one carries 1 mark, a total of 4 marks. That means we need to do only 4. Coming down to the 15th bit, in the 15th bit, we just need to write down the missing spelling. Okay, so spellings you need to be good at. Okay, for example, this one is mountain, M-O and U. So like that you need to write for all the spellings. Each one carries half mark, a total of 4 marks. Then bit number 16, in this one you need to identify the silent letter. So any 8 we need to do out of 10. For example, in this one, almond, almond. L is silent. So half mark each, total of 4 marks. So we need to do any 8 to get 4 marks. Then coming down to the 17th one, in this one we need to write the correct transcription using the ordinary English spelling. Means this is a phonetic transcription given over here. So any 4 we need to convert. For example, this one is hospital. Okay, so similarly we need to identify what is the correct spelling and write it down in English. In bit number 18, in this one we need to circle any 4 words which sound different. Okay, so in this one, character, chapter, achieve. So character. K. This is ch and achieve. Okay, so character is different. So like this you need to identify the different sound. Each one carries 4 marks, a total of 4 marks. So any 4 we need to do out of 6. Then coming to the 19th one, in the 19th one we need to mention the number of syllables in any 4 of the following. Okay, so in this one we need to identify how many syllables are there. For example, the word room is having only 1 syllable. Like that you need to identify other syllables also. So each one carries 1 mark, a total of 4 marks. So any 4 we need to do to get 4 marks. Then coming down, this is the 20th bit. In this one, a bar graph is given to you, and what you need to do is convert the information into a paragraph form. How will you convert the information? First, we are going to write the title. What is the bar graph about? And then we'll mention apple is there, banana is there, orange, pear, guava, and then all these are measured. Okay, in how much fiber is there in grams per cup. So all that is measured over here. You can write into a paragraph form. So which item is how much, that also you can mention. Okay, so in this one you have a choice. So instead of doing the bar graph, you can also read out this paragraph, and then you can prepare a pie diagram. You know, right? A pie diagram, something looks like this. Okay, so you can have the different percentages in different sections. So this is also very easy. So this bit carries 4 marks. Okay, it carries 4 marks and total of 4 marks. So any one you have a choice over here, either A or B, any one we can do.